Hey everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I'm standing in front of the all-new 2020 Chevy Equinox LT. This front-wheel drive vehicle comes with a 1.5 liter four-cylinder engine, your back tinted windows, and 17-inch aluminum wheels. Now, when we get inside this vehicle, you can see that we do have our premium gray and black cloth seating with a white lining throughout the entire vehicle. When it comes to the front, we have our brand new Chevy MyLink radio, heated seating on both sides, your push to talk, lane keep assist, front collision alert, and your standard cruise control. This is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. Hope you guys have a great day.